Well, everyone, my name is Kunji, and this is Cooking with Kunji. Today, we're going to be making some fried fish to make Escovitch fish. As remember, in a previous episode, I made those Escovitch pickles, so you can check that video up. It's going to be right up here. Today, we're going to be making the fish to serve with those pickles, and that's what they call Escovitch fish. Stay tuned. Macarena boy. So as you can see, my fish is already seasoned, and I use two simple seasonings today. I have some Old Bay and some garlic salt. Since I have the pickle that, has a fair bit amount of spice, I'm not really doing too much to the fish. I'm not gonna bread it because I want the flavor of the fish to shine through. That's just a personal preference of mine. You can bread it if you want. You could deep fry it if you want. Today I'm just going to be frying these lightly on both sides. Let them get that nice golden brown color. I have some flounder and I have a little piece of black drum. Basically that's what we're going to be frying today. My pan, and I'm going to fry with some avocado oil today. That's a nice high temp oil that you can use for frying. I've never used it on something this big, so I want to see how that works out. Deep frying this fish, as I had said before, but I do use a generous amount of oil, and usually you'll add like a pepper or a piece of garlic or scallion, thyme, just to give that oil itself some flavor. And that's what I'm doing today. I have some scallions and garlic, and that's just to give the oil a little bit of flavor that the fish will pick up. Nothing too harsh. You can also use a pepper if you want it spicy, like a habanero. Of course, I'm not going to do that because I want the kids to eat the fish also. Everybody doesn't like spicy. This is a good way to test your oil. See, it's not hot yet. When you're using fresh thyme, you want to be careful because that splatter will happen because there is, that water in the green thyme. If you use dried thyme, you won't get as much flavor, but you will not have the splatter as if you use the fresh thyme. Frying the fish is really quick since these are fillets. This is a flounder fillet, so they're not going to really take a long time to cook. But you kind of want them a little more on the crisp side. You can look at it, that's beautiful golden brown color coming. So right now these pieces of fish are done, and I'm just putting them in this pan here on some paper towels to drain that excess grease off. But they have that beautiful golden brown color that I want. The flavor smells amazing. On to the next round. So when you're frying your fish, If you notice that I'm not having a huge amount of splatter from the fish itself, is because I've been drying my fish for the last 2 hours out on the rack, and also drying it with paper towel. And you want to get that excess water off your fish so that you don't have a huge amount of splatter while you're cooking. You're not gonna not have any splatter, but if your fish is wet, it's gonna make it too messy, and you could probably hurt yourself. So right now I'm gonna fry the black drum, and this fish is gonna be fried differently because this has the skin on it and it has the bones in it. So it's really a different composition, plus it's a different type of fish. So in Jamaica, this is how you would have your fish, with the skin on, with the bones in, even with the head on. But I decided to go fillet because not many people, apart from the Jamaicans, have fish with the bones in them. But you can use any fish. The point of this is you can use any fish to fry and make the escovitch. It's just depending on your preference and whatever style you want to use. You could bread it, not bread it, fillet, not fillet, skin on, skin off. You just really want this type of fish, like a nice flaky fish that you can just rip apart with the seasoning. Today I'm going to be making some festivals to go with my fish. And this is just festivals straight out the box. I'm not making this from scratch. So make sure you just add water. I'm going to be frying my festivals in my Dutchie, or my Dutch oven, as it's properly called. And I have this on medium heat, and it's going to be almost a deep fry. I'm frying it in a very generous amount of oil. So right now my fried fish is done. I have my Escovitch pickle right here. I have some festivals. Got my lemons for some garnish, and we're gonna go ahead and put this Escovitch fish together. Stay tuned and see how that looks. Thank you for watching this video today. Steps and ingredients are gonna be down in the description below. Also in the description is gonna be the video for my pickle that I made a couple weeks ago. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.